Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied now. We're making love, my hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to play, but my hands are tied.
What it do, GNV crew? You already know who it is, man. It's your main man, G.
And it's your girl V. Today we are doing a KFC mukbang with 2 times spicy sauce. We have, actually it's the originals. We got the original hot chicken flavor sauce. And then we have the other one, hot chicken bulldog carbonaro. They both hot chili sauces, and these are the same sauce. This is the same sauce that they use on the noodles, and this one too, it has its own noodles for these two. But with these, we're gonna try them on our chickens. We're gonna have each chicken gonna have some sauce on different sauce on it. Each chicken gonna have different sauce for us to be able to try that. But before we dive into this video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also tap on your post notification bell so you're notified each and every time we post up a new video. Share and like all our videos, and we're gonna go ahead and dive right into the video.
And before we dive, I want you guys to watch this whole entire video all the way through.
Amen. Before we do eat, we're going to go ahead and say our grace.
So close your eyes, bow your heads. Father God, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for this food you have blessed us with. Please cover in your blood, live it good to our bodies. In the name of Jesus Christ, we pray on this beautiful day.
Amen.
Amen.
All right. Y'all move this stuff out, move it over so they can be able to see how we doing this. Move it all the way over. Can they see?
Alright, which one is that one?
This is the hot chicken flavor hot chili sauce. They're both the same, but I think this one is a little lighter. This one is a bit lighter than this one. This one is darker. So you will notice the difference, but we're gonna put it on our chickens. I know I don't want to drown the chicken because I feel like ain't gonna be enough sauce to distribute.
Right.
But each chicken needs some sauce. So I guess I'll put this on here.
You look hot.
Yeah.
Cause it is real hot.
You don't know. You're gonna see though.
I'm gonna see if you can handle the hot. Maybe you can
Glenda laughing.
I don't know.
Van Don, I'm looking at.
That's hot.
I'm lightly sprinkling it. You do y'all's and pick one that you want down. You smell it, don't you?
Wait, I want to smell. Oh, it smells hot.
Oh, I didn't eat one. Yeah, it does.
That is hot.
You put it on the ends too, and like on the side, like on his. Put it on the side so y'all can get it on the
it's almost done.
How do you know?
And this one there, this one hotter. I can tell because how it's pouring.
Oh, I can feel it.
Yeah, it is. And halfway right here, right?
Dang.
I hooked up mine like that too.
Yeah. You gotta be careful though.
Yeah, I didn't put too much on it, but it's different.
Just like you put on noodles. I
guess I'll mix this one.
Yeah. I got another big one over there too. I need to put some on. Do that too.
Never be good at the whole day.
It is. You pass me the fries, babe. Thank you. Fries over here, cause that chicken's spicy, Rhonda.
Make sure you get one there corn. Know he like that corn. I got corn right here.
Yeah.
Give me a spoon, baby.
I don't know how you gonna distribute that off there.
Distribute what?
This the French fries, baby. I want mashed potatoes and then the corn on top. Hey, Rhonda, be careful, okay? All right, let's try the chicken. Which chicken y'all gonna eat first? We're gonna try.
Go for the drumstick.
The drumstick. Which flavor it had on it? This one right here. That's what it look like. This
pink bottle, whatever.
Yeah, I had it. Okay, let's see. That's good and sweet.
That spice kicking in though.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay.
Right.
Got me dipping it for some more though. It ain't bad. It's good.
Like it?
I can feel the spice.
Mm-hmm.
And the milk.
Already?
Tasty. I think I'm finna lose.
If you don't want it, don't eat it. Just if y'all don't want it, excuse yourselves, okay? Y'all can get up from the table if y'all don't want this.
Yep. Get up, and then when we done with this video, we can get some regular chicken.
What's wrong?
It ain't bad though.
It's spicy and good. But it's just spicy, that's why. Want to get some fries?
Don't waste it.
Yeah, the fries right in front of you and digging it.
This?
Okay. Let me get some of this.
Here, Bundle.
I always want to still on. Which one I still on?
Which one I'm still on?
The drumstick?
Yeah, this right here is a mixture. Yeah, man. Look, holding that tongue out his head.
It's coffee with my food.
Dip his fries in that sauce. I'm gonna get some more of this black bottle. What's this? It's hot. Hot chicken flavor.
Yeah, both of them say the same.
Yeah. The black one is darker though.
Try the black one.
Man.
Fries. I'm trying to get on my back chicken.
I want a biscuit.
I want a biscuit too.
Well,
Can I have a biscuit too, Daddy? Me and Mommy like biscuit a lot.
our whole family like biscuits. Let Mama get home.
Mashed potato.
Well, this is mac and cheese.
I realize that's good too.
Yeah. Whoo!
With some honey bun.
Yeah, guys, we probably would not eat this again. The food was gross.
Especially the chicken.
I really don't see what people like about this sauce. It wasn't good on a chicken.
All right, listen, guys. We probably wouldn't eat this again. It was kind of gross. You know what I'm saying? But the noodles, it was pretty good. The sauce is pretty good on the noodles. You know what I'm saying? So with the noodles, we'll probably eat it again. With chicken, probably absolutely not. You know, and yeah, thumbs down.
It makes it salty, guys.
Yeah.
We still ate it anyway though, because we don't like wasting food. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button.
It tastes so salty.
Subscribe to the family if you haven't already, to become a part of the crew. You know what I mean? And then share this video with everybody you know and love. We love you guys. Oh, hit the post notification bell as well, so you're notified every time we do upload a video. That's my 3-year-old making all this noise. We signing off, man. We love you. We out. Peace.